Hey there, fellow email warriors. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech tutorials simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into how to find quarantined emails in Outlook 2025. If you've ever had an important email vanish into the digital abyss because Outlook flagged it as suspicious, you're not alone. This quick guide will help you locate and manage those quarantined messages in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Why does Outlook quarantine emails? It's all about security. Emails that look like spam, phishing attempts, or potential threats get held in a special folder to protect you. In Outlook 2025, finding these is easier than you might think. Start by opening your Outlook application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Once you're in, head to the top menu and click on the File tab. From there, select Manage Rules and Alerts or directly go to Info, and then Account Information. Look for the Security and Privacy section. This is where the magic happens. In Outlook 2025, you'll find a dedicated Quarantine option under Protection. Click on that, and it will open a list of all quarantined items. Now, browse through the list to identify your emails. Each entry will show details like the sender, subject, and why it was quarantined. If you spot something legitimate, select it and hit the Release button to restore it to your inbox. Be cautious, though, always double-check to avoid releasing actual threats. If you need to, you can also review quarantine settings to adjust how Outlook handles future emails. That's it, you've successfully navigated Outlook's quarantine feature. This process usually takes less than a minute once you're familiar with it, saving you from lost messages and frustration. Remember, staying on top of your email security is key in 2025's digital world. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.